tube out of the oil slicks of Florida got down. Hey, Jay Bird, Fireball, trying to get my name called up around your town.
Hey, right back to you, Jay Bird. You got a copy on Gator?
Hey, you want to get your name called there, Fireball. You sound good up here in Kentucky, man, when Roadrage ain't on that homemade hammer, man. I won't get your name called, get your name in that Hall of Fame there, Fireball, no doubt about it, man, when Roadrage ain't on that big hammer. Hello, Fireball, 495, Jay Bird up here in Kentucky with the gate rolling, and I'm standing by.
Hey, 495, you got a copy?
Fireball's head, 495, Roadrage, working that steel tube, and I'm going to drop it right on top of that Fireball. Roadrage gone.
You dropped it there, Roadrage, no doubt about it, man. I just got to call them like I see them, because the gate don't lie, man. I got to call them like I see them, because it's going to be on the gate anyway, man. Ain't no use to lie about it, man. You dropped that big homemade hammer. Hey, Roadrage, call them out there one more time, man. I didn't get that on the gate. Call them out there one more time, man. Let me get that on that gate.
Hey, I'm calling them all out. Hey, 495, I'm calling them all out. 325. I'm calling out that 38 Special, Fireball, and that Dirty Bird. I'm calling them all out. 495, I'm going to drop a big old sledgehammer on top of their head. 495, Roadrage gone. 211 back in the bush.
I heard that, Roadrage, no doubt about it, man. I heard 211 trying to sneak up in there, see? I got a Fireball sneaking up in there too, man. Hello, Fireball, sounding good, man. Like I say, man, when Roadrage in on that big hammer, I don't mean to sound like he's cheerleader or nothing, man, but I'm just calling him like I see him, man. And plus the gate don't lie, man. But y'all that's all sounding good down there in the sand pile. 495 waving right back, and I do got the video gate rolling.
Let's get that video game rolling, no doubt about it. No doubt about it, 495. While they're sitting there, long-winded, while they all sitting down here in the sand piles getting long-winded to get in that water gate, we're going to try to keep them out, no doubt. We're going to lock them all up in their duck pen. We're going to try to keep them down in that oil slick. We're going to get those feathers all rolled up for them. 495, Roadrage dropping that steel tube in Florida, and it's just that easy.
Hey, you dropped it once again, Roadrage, no doubt about it, man. You got them in the gate down there, Roadrage. You got them in the gate, man. That's what they say. You got them in the gate down there, man. You dropping that big old homemade hammer up here in Kentucky, and I do got the video gate rolling, and you know what they say, the gate don't lie. 495, Jay Bird in Kentucky, and I do got the video gate rolling, and I'm going to work my duck horn. I'm on the mill.
Hey, 495. Hey, 495. Hammer, hammer, hammer. Hey, 495. Hey, hammer, 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 hammer. I'm dropping that hammer on the sand piles of Florida. Roadrage gone.
I heard that, Roadrage, no doubt about it, man. You dropped that big homemade hammer. Hey, Roadrage, well, I got this video gate rolling, man. I want you to tell everybody out there in video gate land and on the internet, who is the king of the bluegrass? Who is the king of the bluegrass? Roadrage, 495, standing by.
Hey, Mother Nature's getting rough and tough. Hey, it's getting rough and tough in my ears there, 495, but we're going to still try to drop that hammer on the sand pile, no doubt about it. 495, Jay Bird up there in Kentucky, no doubt about it. Roadrage working the steel tube in the oil slicks of Florida, got down.
I hear that, Roadrage, you got down the oil slicks, man. I just wanted you to say one time, who is the king of the bluegrass? Who is the king of the bluegrass there, Roadrage? Tell everybody out in video gate land who the king of the bluegrass is. 495, Jay Bird, king of the bluegrass on the mill.
down.
Bye, Roadrage. Bye, Roadrage. Bye, 211. Bye, 211. Down there in the old slicks of Florida, 495 with this gate rolling and I'm on the mail.
2555. Hey, Jay Bird, have yourself a good afternoon, no doubt about it. I'll be looking for that second water gate, no doubt. 495. Solid choice in the sand piles. Roadrage dropping that big old hammer, and I'm gone.
Real good copy.